Hello and welcome, aspiring entrepreneurs and food enthusiasts. We're kicking off with an exciting culinary revolution, cloud kitchens. Imagine a kitchen space dedicated solely to creating mouth-watering meals for delivery, no dine-in facilities, no extravagant real estate costs. Instead, these digital-first kitchens focus on efficiency, crafting delicious dishes for the online crowd. It's a unique model that's stirring up the food delivery sector. Stay tuned as we uncover key insights that could turn your culinary passion into a profitable venture. Launching a cloud kitchen involves strategic planning. The process begins with selecting a location that offers a high population density yet has limited dining options. After obtaining essential food safety and business licenses, you'll need to set up a kitchen that can handle high-volume orders. Next, create a strong online presence to attract customers. Remember, partnering with tech platforms like Zomato or Swiggy can significantly boost your visibility and help streamline order fulfillment. Collaboration with tech platforms is crucial for visibility and order fulfillment. The Indian cloud kitchen industry is expected to hit $2 billion by 2024. This exciting new sector is experiencing a growth rate of over 25% annually, proving that there's never been a better time to start your own cloud kitchen venture. Understandably, this surge in growth has been fueled by the recent global pandemic, which has led to an increased demand for online food delivery services. In fact, this demand has been so significant, it's completely transforming the landscape of the food industry, particularly in densely populated urban areas. And who are the key players in this transformation, you might ask? None other than the popular food delivery platforms Zomato and Swiggy. These platforms have not only embraced the cloud kitchen model, but are actively promoting it, helping thousands of restaurants and independent chefs reach their customers in an efficient and cost-effective manner. Leading the charge in this market transformation are platforms like Zomato and Swiggy. Cloud kitchens operate on lean business models with significant savings on operational costs. They generate revenue in a couple of ways. Firstly, through direct online orders placed by customers. Secondly, through partnerships with food delivery platforms that act as a marketplace, showcasing various cloud kitchens to a sea of hungry customers. These platforms, however, do take a commission ranging from 10 to 30% per order, depending on the agreement. But success isn't just about cutting costs and boosting sales, it's about mastering logistics, continuously analyzing customer data to tweak menus, and maintaining a stellar food quality that can withstand delivery times. In this era of digital engagement, marketing strategies focusing on social media and online visibility can significantly boost your brand's reach. Also, let's not forget regulations. Compliance is crucial. Adhere to food safety guidelines, ensure proper kitchen hygiene, and manage waste effectively. Staying updated with local health regulations and incorporating eco-friendly packaging can also enhance brand reputation. With current revenues robust and growing, the market is ripe for new entrants. The cloud kitchen sector is humming with entrepreneurial opportunity. Currently, the industry is seeing a steady revenue increase owing to the ever-growing consumer appetite for online food delivery. Looking ahead, market forecasts are promising. Analysts predict a continued upsurge in demand, particularly in metropolitan areas. This growth is expected to be fueled by advancements in technology and innovative business practices driving future growth. Exploring the cloud kitchen model could be your next big business breakthrough. To recap, we've learned that cloud kitchens are delivery-only food businesses thriving in a digitally driven market. The key to success is a blend of strategic location, compliance, logistics, and digital marketing. With the industry forecasted to grow exponentially, there's no better time to dive in. So get cooking on your business plans. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you for watching, and may your culinary ventures be prosperous.